Welcome everyone, I'm Ken and I'm out here today on the beautiful Peace River Valley. I'm right by Toothful Springs. I'm checking my trail cameras and enjoying the beautiful outdoors. So come along and enjoy. Here's a couple interesting animals, coyote and black bear. The coyote is quite interested in the black bear. He looks like he's trying to make friends. And the black bear, if you look close, the black bear just wants a spa session in that cold water. He's got a problem with his right rear leg. Looks like a wound on the side of his hip there. And he's moving his leg, and he's somehow doing that is easing the pain that he's obviously in. And the coyote is, observing a wounded bear, so he's probably thinking more of food than anything. Yeah, coyote wanders away, and we're going to zoom in a bit on the bear. Just handheld camera, it didn't have a tripod. And I hope the bear recovers from whatever is bothering him. Next scene is from a trail camera on the edge of the Peace River. This bald eagle has just caught a fish in the river, and he's about to have a snack on the shore, and it's a light rain happening, and this is one happy bird. It's nice to see. Yeah, and there was a large eagle nest nearby in the top of a black poplar. Coyotes aren't a favorite of any sheep or cattle rancher, but out here, this guy's not bothering anybody. He's actually seems to be enjoying the sounds of the birds. So it's going to be the same trail camera showing all the rest of these images. Here's a young black bear. He looks kind of gentle. And then a young coyote, early foggy morning. Here's a cute little cinnamon cub and its mama. Yeah, this is one of my favorite scenes. Look at that green grass. Bears just love that. It's going to be a sunny day. Yeah, the cub just wants to play and have fun. And then here's another shot of the same sow and cub on a rainy day. And the water just seems to keep rising, and it gets wetter and wetter. Yeah, my trail cameras are not actually designed for a submersible operation. The geese, they sure look happy.